If you own or manage an auto repair shop and you desperately need a tech, but you aren't getting any applications, you're dead in the water. You can't grow, you settle for good enough or a warm body that can fog a mirror, you burn out your team trying to do more with less in an effort to squeeze out profitability, and you piss off customers by pushing out appointment dates further and further. That's no way to live. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is Chris Lawson with Technician Find, and over the past 7 years, we've worked with nearly 200 independent auto repair shops to help them hire faster. And whenever we start out with a new client, there are three basic things that we do immediately to get those applications flowing. The first thing that we do is we fix their ads. So most ads for techs just plain suck. Your ads need to be unique, creative, and compelling. They need to invite technicians into a story where they are the hero and you are the guide who has their back. It's a story where they will have the opportunity to live a better life inside and outside of the shop. You can see on this Venn diagram, and if you know anything about me, I love Venn diagrams. They explain a lot in a very small space. The bottom left-hand circle is good ads. And the good ads basically are benefit focused and compelling to technicians. Most ads that you see on Indeed or any of the other job boards, they completely suck. They don't do this. That's where you have to start. The next thing is we fix their offer. You can't attract an A technician with a C tech offer. It's not all about the money. Every shop has a unique combination of benefits and culture that would be compelling to the right tech, and we help our clients find that. You can see the good offer is up here on the top. It's a combination of shop culture, salary, plus benefits, and it's unique for every shop. Then the third thing that we do to get those applications flowing is we get those ads in front of the right techs. If you're relying on posting to job boards, you're doomed. If a tech is skilled, has a good attitude, and wants to work, they're already working. They aren't trolling job boards. So just throwing more and more money at a job board isn't going to help you out. And that's where good targeting comes in. You have to get those ads in front of the right techs. If you have good targeting and you have a good offer, but you don't have good ads, you're not going to get any clicks. And that's not going to help you. If you have good targeting and you have good ads, but you don't have a good offer, then you're not going to get any applications. You may get plenty of clicks, but when they land on your application page and they find out that, basically you're not paying enough or you don't have the benefits that they're looking for, then they're not going to apply. And if you have a good offer and you have good ads, but you don't have good targeting, again, you're not going to have any clicks because you basically don't have those ads in front of the technicians that need to see them. And that's a big problem. So once we fix these things, these three things for a shop, applications start to flow. And so if you'd like my help in troubleshooting your hiring campaigns, just leave me a comment or DM me and someone from my team will reach out. Let's come up with a customized plan for your shop that can solve this problem and get those applications flowing again so you can grow. Take care.